Hello guys and everyone watching this video. So today I received this phone with a network problem, and actually the guy that dropped it here says it has a problem with reading the SIM cards. And if you check right here, no any SIM card bars, okay, no any network bars. And when you check on the notification window, nothing related to the network. So the first thing I did, I had to first restart the phone with SIM cards in to see just in case network comes, okay. So here I've powered the phone off, and I'm just going to wait a few seconds for the phone to reboot. Okay, and this phone, this time we are dealing with Spark 8C, that is KG5J. So let's wait for the phone to reboot and see if the network comes or not. Okay, so this is it. The phone has just started, and if as you can check up here, no SIM card bars again. Okay, it's not showing anything related to network. So I first go to the dial and put *#06#, and you can see there is no IMEI number. Okay, we only have PSN. If I put it again, you can see we don't have IMEI number. Okay, now when you go to settings, let's check if we have the baseband. Go to settings, then my phone, and scroll down. As you can see, we don't have any email. Okay, we don't have the email number, and as you can, and as you know, email has to do with the baseband. Okay, so if again you go to my phone and go to Android version, you can see we have baseband version is an unknown, camo version disabled, and build number disabled. So you can see all these options are disabled. So if you go to a normal working phone, this is a normal working phone. Okay, let me just show you the difference, and maybe you can tell the difference. Okay, so go to dial and press press *#06#. So you can see here it will bring two IMEI if the SIM card. So here it will bring two IMEI numbers if it is a dual SIM card. Okay, you can see all starting with 35086. Okay, so then go to settings. We go to settings. Then go to my phone or my device. Scroll down, you can see we have the IMEI numbers registered. Okay, we have IMEI numbers, or what you can call as serial numbers. Okay, so we have the IMEI numbers, and if we go to Android version right here, you can see Android version. You can see we have the baseband version, and we have baseband version, we have camo version, and build number. Okay, you can see these options, and if you compare with the ones in the Spark 8C phone, you can see, go to settings again, my phone, Android version, and so you can see the one in this phone, they are disabled, and in the other phone they are there. Okay, so you can now tell the difference. So this is the phone that has a network issue, and we are going to write the baseband and have